So people land up in the SSB wearing chappals. Now they say, you're going to check me, not my chappals. But I'll say, I'm checking the human being, the personality. That includes your footwear also. Awareness, friends, is very, very important. And as Sir was asking me, and he said that awareness actually hits you these days when you find that there are certain things, they are the candidates. If you're coming to join the armed forces, you might as well read a bit about the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Why is it that somebody has to come and teach you? Why not develop the interest? Why not find out, for example, a warship has been launched a day or two back, or a aircraft deal has gone through, or India is trying to sell the Tejas Mark 1 and Mark 2 to countries like Egypt, etc. So what about what is it about Tejas that makes it so special in the world market today? So this why, this new little input, you have to develop this, in Hindi we call it jigyasupan, and in English it is your curiosity. Unless you're curious, you will not get the information. And if you get the information, automatically your mind will try to process and find out a logical idea out of it. So this process is somewhere, this feeling, the reasoning, the urge to gain knowledge, this is slightly on the downtrend these days. And we can't blame our youngsters because IIT preparation, NEET preparation, AFCAT, this, that, everywhere it is a competitive world. And so unfortunately, you can't spare so much of time. Your minds are tired. So you will have to find time. If you're planning for the armed forces, then find time to know about it, know and understand which profession you're going into, and also build up your awareness. The second part, as I told you, that you all have more or less missed out on your peer groups, which you don't realize because you've been at home, just looking at computer screens, and your education has come through online sources. There are many who have just had taken admission during the time of COVID or pre-COVID, and today they have passed out of their colleges without ever sitting in front of a lecturer or interacting physically with your teacher. So if that has been there, you must agree with me that there are some and a lot of things which you get from your groups which are missing. So engage in that little gupshup with your friends. All right? And you will, I assure you, will get a lot of information. What they are doing, what is happening in the world, and open new vistas in your life. And the last and final thing, friends, there is no solution by just going to a gym and improving. So when we talk about physicals, people say, I have this, you treat it like an exam. So you say, when the time will come, I will build up myself by going to a gym. It's like just that when the time will come, I'll prepare for IIT by going to a coaching institute. Life is not like that. It is your human body. So you have to eat well, sleep well, and read well also. So, and your physicals, you must go for a walk and a run and a jog and try to exercise against your own body weight, like push-ups, crunches, and all such kind of things. And eat healthy also. Our life is surrounded by packaged food. Friends, please try to avoid it and try to go on natural stuff and improve your health also. So these few things, because I find candidates whose arm strength is less. We are not checking your arm strength, but you have to do the task which involve your arm strength, which involve your leg strength. Many candidates look beyond their age. They seem to have aged, People who are supposed to be in their 15, 20 years of age, they look like 25, 30-year-olds. And there is another thing, we say that somebody goes for a beauty contest, they also go through grooming. But would you like to just groom yourself just before the SSB? Or would you like to make it a part of your normal routine that you must look after yourself? Look well, eat well, sleep well, dress well, look smart. That doesn't mean you waste your money or spend money into some grooming things. But there is no harm in combing your hair. There is no harm in going for a shave when it comes to the boys. There is no harm in selecting the right colors when it goes to the girls and dress up well. So people land up in the SSB wearing chappals. Now they say, you're going to check me, not my chappals. But I'll say, I'm checking the human being, the personality. That includes your footwear also. So these few things, please make it a point that you bring it as part of your routine.